Hi there, my name is John Sprouse. Last year I moved into a retirement status after working full-time for many years. And I was looking to structure my affairs for asset protection, inheritance, privacy, and tax savings. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and when I came to Liberty Aid Academy, I found the ideal solution. One of the things that people seem to struggle with after opening and executing the trust is setting up bank accounts. I wanted to show you how easy that was for me, and hopefully this method can help you as well. In this document, you'll see that I have my accounts with Wells Fargo. What I was able to do is, since I already had many of my accounts already with Wells Fargo and had a long history of business to them, I was able to process what they called an account ownership change. You can see that in the bottom account, John Sprouse Trust, this was my old personal account, which I then just changed the account ownership change, putting in the new tax ID for the new trust. So it was very easy to do that, and then that actually facilitated opening up the second trust account very easily, which is there you see the Christian Faith Works Trust. So hopefully that can help all of you to set up the accounts. Very easy once you've got the trust documentation, and Wells Fargo was very accommodating to set those all up. Thank you, and God bless you all.